Amazon Air Duct and Dryer Vent Cleaning Harford. Amazon Air Duct Cleaning provides focused solutions for a clean, healthy, and safe indoor environment. Our courteous, highly skilled team has over 10 years of experience with. We service both commercial and residential clients. We're proud to provide the best in professional air duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, and chimney cleaning services. Our licensed, expert team of on-site and training managers has extensive combined. All of our technicians pass a strict certification process to ensure that customer satisfaction is given the highest priority. For more information, please visit our website, www.amazonairpro.com. Or contact us through phone, 959-777-5588. You can visit our office, 2E New Park Avenue, Hartford, Connecticut 06106, United States. Amazon Air Duct and Dryer Vent Cleaning Harford.